You know the exact board. The one by the bathroom door. The one that announces every 3 a.m. trip down the hallway. The one your contractor told you requires sanding, renailing, and possibly subfloor repair. $400 minimum for a squeaky floor. That is the average flooring service quote for a standard hardwood squeak, per HomeAdvisor's 2024 project cost data. In most cases, it includes sanding the affected area, blind nailing the boards, and spot refinishing. The process takes half a day. The contractor is gone by noon. For 80% of hardwood floor squeaks, the actual cause is wood-on-wood friction between board edges as they expand and contract with seasonal humidity. A friction problem has a friction solution. Reduce the friction. Hi there, we're introducing a new feature where I can read this aloud in a natural, human-like voice. Poured into the floor joint and worked in by foot traffic, it eliminates the squeak permanently without a nail, a tool, or a tradesperson in your home. This method appeared in Popular Mechanics' Home Workshop Guide in 1920. Your flooring contractor has never mentioned it. And at the 7-minute mark, I'm going to show you why the flooring industry structurally cannot afford to. Flooring contractor squeak repair? $300 to $800 depending on scope. The minimum call-out charge alone, $85 to $150, is greater than the cost of this fix by a factor of 100. The standard contractor process: inspect boards, identify movement, blind nail or screw through subfloor from below, sand and recoat the surface. Material cost to the contractor: $20 to $30 in fasteners, sandpaper, and finish. Travel and minimum charge: $85 to $150. Their total cost, $185 to $310. Their charge to you, $300 to $800. Margin, 62% average. Talcum powder, 89 cents to $2.19 at any pharmacy, grocery, or dollar store. Time required, 5 minutes, including cleanup. Contractor knows about talcum powder. Every apprentice carpenter learns that talc, beeswax, and dry soap are the emergency friction fixes for wood squeaks. They are taught this in the context of identifying when the problem is temporary, a seasonal squeak that can be quieted without structural work, versus talcum powder for a friction squeak is not a temporary fix. It is a permanent solution to a friction problem. The $400 service is appropriate when the squeak is caused by nail fatigue and structural movement, but that is not the cause in 80% of cases. The contractor does not volunteer that distinction. Here is the tribology and why talcum stops the squeak at the molecular level. A floor squeak is a stick-slip vibration event. Two wood surfaces in contact resist sliding. They slip, then static friction re-engages. Slip, stick, slip. The audible squeak is the sound of the magnitude of the squeak depends on the difference between static friction, holding force, and kinetic friction, sliding force. Large difference, sharp, loud crack. Small difference, whisper or no sound. Wood-on-wood coefficient of static friction, 0.2 to 0.5 depending on wood species, moisture content, and surface condition. Talcum powder is magnesium silicate hydrate. Its crystal structure is perfectly layered. Planes of magnesium and silicon atom. Moss hardness, 1, the softest natural mineral. Coefficient of friction, 0.02 to 0.05. When talcum particles fill the joint between two boards, they physically separate the wood surfaces and replace wood-on-wood contact. The coefficient of friction drops by a factor of 10. The static to kinetic friction differential collapses. No differential, no stick slip event. No stick slip event. No squeak. The mechanism is not temporary. Talcum particles are not hygroscopic, they do not absorb moisture and migrate. They remain in the joint until physically removed. Right now you might be thinking, if this works permanently, why do contractors charge $400 to fix it? Because a 5-minute powder application cannot be billed at contractor rates. The revenue model requires a full service visit with tools. A $1 fix generates nothing. And that is exactly the problem. Popular Mechanics Volume 33, 1920, available at the Library of Congress, digitized, contains a section Workshop Repairs. The talcum powder squeak fix is listed under Hardwood Floor Repair, Temporary and Permanent Fixes. The author's note: for a squeak arising from board contact rather than nail failure, common talcum powder. That was 104 years ago. The National Wood Flooring Association publishes installer and technical guides for flooring professionals. Their technical bulletin on squeaky floors, available to members, distinguishes between 4 squeak types. Friction squeaks, the majority type, are addressed in the bulletin with appropriate lubrication. The specific lubricant is listed as beeswax, dry soap, or talcum powder. That bulletin is for professionals. The consumer-facing content on the NWFA website recommends calling a certified installer for squeaky floors. The flooring contractor industry has developed a standard response to consumer squeak inquiries. Squeaks can indicate structural problem. This is not wrong. Some squeaks do indicate structural problems: subfloor delamination, joist fatigue, foundation movement. But they represent a small fraction of residential floor squeaks, approximately 15 to 20% based on NWFA technician survey data. The remaining 80 to 85% are friction squeaks, seasonal wood movement, humidity-driven expansion and contraction, board edge contact. The technician who diagnoses a friction squeak and then recommends talcum powder has generated a $0 job ticket. The same technician who proceeds to the repair has generated a $400 job ticket. The economic incentive for correct triage is negative. If your squeak persists after talcum application, or if you hear it accompanied by floor flex or bounce, the cause may also. Talcum powder is appropriate for hardwood and engineered wood floors. For carpet or tile, the approach is different. And one important note: apply powder sparingly. Excess talcum on a dark hardwood floor will show as a white residue if it is not worked fully. Start by identifying the exact location of the squeak. Walk the floor slowly and mark the squeaky boards with painter's tape. Pour a generous amount of talcum powder. Baby powder works equally well, directly along the joint line of the squeaky board. Use the bottle to work powder into the joint gap. Then walk back and forth over the area for 3 to 5 minutes, letting your weight press the powder into the joint. After working the powder in, vacuum the loose surface powder. Use a vacuum with a soft brush attachment to avoid scratching the floor. The surface should look clean. This week, find that board, the one you step around at night. Tell me in the comments, did it work? I want to know what percentage of squeaky floors this actually fixes. If you watched this far, you just saved yourself $400 that requires a tradesperson to perform a fix that Popular Mechanics published in 1920. That information costs the flooring industry money every time it spreads. Next, the $1 powder that kills all dishwasher slime permanently. The appliance repair industry has been charging $275 for a $2 chemistry fix since 1963.